Stop fear in its tracks. God has given you 3 Bible verses for protection against fear that can shut down anxiety, worry, and panic the moment they attack your mind. If you've ever felt panic rising, this changes everything. Fear is having a field day in our world. Every news alert sends our anxiety through the roof. Every unexpected phone call makes our heart race. Fear whispers lies like, "What if something terrible happens? What if I can't handle this? What if God doesn't come through?" Fear paints worst-case scenarios and convinces us we're alone, unprotected and powerless. But fear is a liar. God has given us 3 powerful truths that completely destroy fear's foundation. First weapon, God's secret place of protection. Psalm 91:1 declares, "He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty." When you choose to dwell with God daily, you're living under divine protection. The shadow of the Almighty is like a mighty eagle spreading its wings over its young. Fear says you're exposed, but God says you're covered by the most powerful being in the universe. Second weapon, God's name as your stronghold. Proverbs 18:10. "The name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous runneth into it and is safe." In biblical times, a strong tower was the most secure place in the city. That's what God's name is for you, your spiritual strong tower. When fear attacks, you don't have to stand there and take it. The name of Jesus is your fortress. Fear wants you to feel trapped, but God's name is your escape route. Third weapon, God's promise to never leave you. Deuteronomy 31:6. "Be strong and of a good courage. Fear not, for the Lord thy God, he it is that doth go with thee. He will not fail thee, nor forsake thee." This isn't a suggestion, it's a command. God himself goes with you. He doesn't send help, he is your help. Fear thrives on the lie that you're alone, but you never walk alone. Here's how you activate these weapons. When fear whispers its lies, counter with God's truth. When fear says, "You're in danger," declare, "I dwell in the secret place of the Most High." When fear says, "You're defenseless," run to your strong tower. "The name of the Lord is my protection." When fear says, "You're alone," stand firm. "God goes with me. He will never forsake me." Don't just read these verses, weaponize them. Write them down, memorize them. Speak them out loud when fear attacks. You're not wandering around unprotected. You're dwelling in his secret place. You're not defenseless. You have access to the strongest tower ever built. You're not alone. The God of the universe is your constant companion. Fear may knock, but it doesn't get to stay. You have divine weapons, divine protection, and divine presence. Stop fear in its tracks by standing on these unshakable promises. God hasn't left you defenseless. He's equipped you with everything you need for victory. If this encouraged you, hit like and subscribe for more hope-filled content.